Welcome to step 3 of the hamburger method. We're doing gargling and the physiological side. This is all about the art of letting go. So why is it fabulous? It's like hitting the release button on the pressure valve on your own personal nervous system, your own personal pressure cooker. So when to do it? This is step 3. So you do this after orientation and after the heart coherence. This is all about just letting that letting go. It's all about just letting it all hang out. So how to nail it? I'm going to give you two techniques. Some people prefer if you've got breathing issues, you may prefer the gargling. You may, if you've got issues with your mouth, you may prefer the breathing one. So just choose. It's okay. There's no right or wrong in this. So with the gargling, some people need to use water to gargle, and others don't. And so if you need water, grab your drink bottle, and let's get to it. So what you're trying to achieve is gargling like you're winning a gargling contest, and I'll walk you through this in the next video. The other tool is taking what we call a physiological sigh, and that's all about taking one big breath and then taking another breath on top of that, because usually what happens is we're not breathing to our fullest capacity. And so by taking that deep breath, then you're inflating all of your lungs, and then you can just let it go. So we're aiming to do this for about a minute, whether you do the gargling or the physiological sigh, or you can mix it up and do the one in the middle. Mix and match. So I'll see you in the next video where I walk you through it.